Hi, this is Kimberly and I would like to welcome you back to my channel, Bookkeeping Journey, where I share my journey towards becoming a full-time bookkeeper and the knowledge that I have gained along the way. Today I'm going to encourage you to start your own bookkeeping business. So today's video is about starting a bookkeeping business and steps that you need to take to be able to have that bookkeeping business up and running successfully. Not every single thing you need in the beginning, but I will still list them here so you can get a pen and paper and you can write them down. First, I'm going to give you the benefits. Second, I'm going to give you the stuff that you need. And the third thing I'm going to do in this video, which is the last thing, I'm going to give you some advice at the end. And the advice is going to be on how to go about marketing your services. The benefits of being a virtual bookkeeper is you get to work from home, so which means more time with your family and friends, more time to do whatever you want to do and to set your own hours. You don't have to request any time to step out of work. You can take your child, if you're in my position, to all those after school activities that you want them to go to. And you are your own boss, so you don't report to anybody. And this is the best time to start that virtual business because everybody right now is being forced to stay at home. We're being told about social distancing, and you can see that people are using Zoom more, people are using video chat more to be able to get through this time. And if you're wondering if this is the right time to start a bookkeeping business, yes, it is the best time because people are more open to working from at home. So those people that would have been said, oh no, I believe that my bookkeeper should be in the office, now they're going to contemplate that and think about that. And I'm sure that more people, so our market has now open up even wider because obviously this has happened already. This has happened now, and then people are going to want to put themselves in positions for the future so that this doesn't happen to them again. If you are procrastinating it, stop procrastinating, becoming a bookkeeper, and decide to start today. The next thing now, the stuff that you need to start your bookkeeping business, you need to decide what software you're going to use. Because if you're going to do bookkeeping for clients and you're going to actually have those clients, you're going to need a software like QuickBooks or Xero. These you do not have to pay for. They are free for us that are doing bookkeeping because we are bringing people to use the platform. So if you want to become a QuickBooks Pro advisor, a QuickBooks Pro advisor is a bookkeeper, an accountant that use the program, you use it for different clients. So in a QuickBooks Pro advisor account, you would have your account, and then your clients can add you through email, and you'll be able to go into their account from your dashboard. But I have a Pro Advisor review video that I did, and I will link it in the iCard as you can see it right there. Right, so you can go watch that video. But continue watching this one, you can go watch that after. And the next thing that you will probably need is something to create different passwords for you. Right now I use Google suggested passwords because it's free. Google suggested passwords are free. I normally save my passwords on Google. So right now when I type in a password, Google will suggest a password and it will save it, so you don't have to remember it, and I use that. Or if you have some money to spare, you can use a password suggest. There are programs out there that do suggest passwords. There's one that called LastPass that you can use as well, and they have a free version. I think they have a free version. You can also go check that out. And you also need a business address, a virtual business address. I currently use iPostal. and they have been very good. Started using iPostal when I had my I had a business before, a clothing business, and I had it registered in New York. So I had my I found out about iPostal, and I use them. I pay a fee each month, but it's a very small fee. I think it's $6 or something like that. And the next thing that you would need is a social media presence. If you're going to try to get clients online, you can use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. And I actually have a new review for Facebook. I'll do that in another video. But I use LinkedIn. I love LinkedIn. It's my favorite platform to use, and you get to connect with a lot of business people there. But some people say it's like the library, where Facebook is more social, but you choose which one you prefer. Another thing that you would need, but these are not like in steps, you need them in this particular order. It's just how I have them listed here. You need a business email address. Please do not use your personal email address. If you don't need to pay. I'm not talking about the paid business address that you would get from Google that costs like $6 US a month. Go to Google, you can create a new email address, create that business email address, and that is the address that you would use for all business. And so you can, whatever you decide that you want to have your business name, you can use whatever that is, and at gmail.com, and you go create that Gmail email and use that for now if you can't afford to do the Gmail business email. And another thing you would need as well is a video app. So the reason why you want a video app software, like Zoom or Skype, I prefer Zoom. It's a lot better, and they do have a free version. I have used Skype in the past, but I find Zoom is a lot better. I use Skype though for my business phone number right now because it's the one that is available to me. The one that I really want for my business phone number is Opus, and Opus is OPUS. They cost $99 US a month, and they have, I think you actually do get a business, you do get a virtual address and with it as well. But you can go check it out. Go check out Opus, VOIP. They are brilliant. I signed up for that. Well, I signed up to get like someone to call me or whatever when I went on their website a couple months back, and the guy called me and he was like ready for me to get started. And so that's my goal that I have, to be able to pay for Opus every month, which is $99 US. But I don't have it yet, but you can go get it. Go check it out, OPUS, and go on their website. And then there's also YouTube videos as well that explain how it works. That is brilliant, I'm telling you. The next thing that you also need, which is the obvious thing that you need, is a computer or a laptop. You cannot do this on your phone. You cannot do business on your cell phone. Get a computer or a laptop. Go invest in one of those. I'm sure if you live in the US, it's way cheaper than it is in my country. If I can get one, you can get one. No excuses. And I'm sure that a lot of people do have computers, so you can use your current computer until you're able to invest in the one that you really want. For me right now, for my computer, I have an HP computer, and my goal is to get a Mac, because the more I do research, I find that Mac, Apple products, the iMac, it's a lot better for me to edit my videos on YouTube. It'll be better for storage, and also security and everything. So not that HP is bad, because I love my HP computer, but it's my preference to get the Mac because I just love them, and they're cute. That is it That's all that you need to start your bookkeeping business and have it running successfully. So we are the most demanding profession that there is. If you really and truly think about it, there is a bookkeeper or an accountant in every single business. There's no business that can run without a bookkeeper or an accountant. They need us. So you just have to figure out who you're going to serve, that type of client that you want to serve, and you serve them. Okay? It's best, everybody always talk about niche or whatever, but you do what you feel best, what feels right for you. And my advice before I end this video, when you're going out there and you're marketing your services and you are going to meet people, we all have had the experience with people coming to us sounding salesy. I can't even watch the YouTube videos of people and gurus that sound so salesy. I hate it. It drives me crazy. So, I just rhymed. But I really do hate it. I really do hate people sounding salesy. They want you to buy this and they want you to buy that, and you, at the end of the video, you're like, oh, that's why I watched this video for. It's just that you wanted me to purchase something. Oh my God, it's so frustrating. So don't go there trying to sell stuff to people. Just go there to help people. Like how I come on here, I come on YouTube, I share what experience I have. I share every single thing with you, and you can see that I am here to help you, because I know what it is to not have people in your corner to help you, and I know what it is to have someone in your corner to be there for you 100%. And so this is me giving back. When you give back, yes, right now, I'm not going to lie, I currently do not have, I actually have a client. My client but I already did work for her before. We actually haven't started the books and everything as yet, but her business is quite new. And you know, but really and truly, to say that I went out there and got clients as yet, I haven't. But this is all the knowledge that I have learned about getting my business out there, all the research that I've done so far. If you go watch my YouTube videos, you will see how to create invoices, how to create estimate. I did yesterday. And I explained, I have a navigation video that I'm always referencing to, because that I explain what are vendors, what are customers, what is an invoice, what is a sales receipt. I explain all of that in it. I come here to help you. I get up every morning, I sit down in this chair, and I come to help you. Look what I did. If you want to create videos, I mean, for me, I wanted to have like at least a good backdrop. My backdrop is currently green. If you know how to do the fancy thing where people change their backdrop or zone it out or whatever, please tell me. But other than that, that's all I have to give you today. So make sure that you start that bookkeeping business. Use those tips that I give you. Use those things that I give you. Go and sign up for QuickBooks R0. Go do that Pro Advisor certification if you want to. If you don't know anything about QuickBooks, go do that certification. I don't mind people telling you about you don't need it. You don't need it. Yes. But it makes you feel so good. Right now, I am doing my advanced certification. I don't need it, but I want to have all the knowledge that I can get. Okay? I want to end this video with that. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And may you have a beautiful and wonderful day. Bye.